Come on. Yeah.
Want that popcorn? Or do you want the popcorn in the bowl?
Oh, man.
Put the popcorn in the bowl. She's breathing in the popcorn.
Oh, boy. Royal.
Royal's like,
You're
whatever.
a good girl, Royal. Good girl.
Royal's like, yeah, whatever.
I was like, I ain't gonna mess with her. Popcorn's more important.
Yeah, they all love
Look at
popcorn.
her. Now she's gonna try to get Royal's popcorn, though.
She might.
Here, Amy. Here, Amy. Amy. Here, Amy. Here, Amy. Yeah, there we go. Come on over here, Amy. Come on, baby. Oh my God, what's Royal gonna do?
She's like her wings in the way.
You step up, baby. Step up. Good girl. Good. You wanna come step up over here? Yeah. Here we go. She loves popcorn.
Oh, I know, man.
And for those of you who are watching who are all crazy, it's organic popcorn. Oh, yeah, baby. Good stuff, huh?
Like with the third one doesn't even make it in her mouth.
I know. Probably more than that.
What a mess.
This is the mess our three birds make eating popcorn.
Watch, she's gonna go back to the bowl. Watch.
You gonna go back down? There you go.
Oh, is she thirsty now? Oh, I bet she's
You wanna get back in
trying
your
to
cage?
get to her water.
Step up. Step up.
Oh.
You step up, baby. She's gonna get. Come here, baby. Step up. Come on, good girl. Hey, you wanna go and get your water? There you go.
No, maybe not.
Oh, maybe not.
Yes, no.
Let me get her some new water. It's got popcorn in it.
Like everything else.
God.